Okay, here she is. I don't know why I start every video with okay, but anyway, $500 Seadoo from Kijiji, and it had a little bit of a starting issue apparently, but when I picked it up the battery was dead, so we couldn't test it. And I will show you, there's some parts, and out here, here's the cover I took off the engine, and if you look right there, you'll see lots of good mud and oil. And in the exhaust manifold is also right full. Oh, here we go. This is going to be a good, yeah. That's supposed to be dry. So that's not good. So the plan of action is to strip everything out. That's why the exhaust is sitting over there. Started taking all the carburetor parts off, and now we are in the process of removing the engine. You can see down in the bottom, I got a flashlight over here. Get the flashlight and you can see down inside it's just muck and oil and junk. So we're gonna pull it out, clean it all up, new gaskets, and away we go. So I'm just gonna take out, I think I got like one more part to take off, which is the oil line, and this thing should lift right out, and then I'll show you how that comes out. Talk to you shortly.